So today we're going to create this green smoky eye look. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Please watch the video till the end. I'll be giving you some tips and tricks throughout. Through whenever you create a smoky eye look, it will be flawless. So always start with little amount and then increase it thoroughly and blend. Number two is blending. Blend really well until you finish blending the earlier product. Do not take more product and keep on blending. Always use clean brushes. Do not use brushes that have colors in it. And after you finish blending, always end with a light color transition color. It looks flawless. So here are some of my tips. And yeah, my makeup is done. I'm applying in a corner highlighter and lower lash nail. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Lots of love.